Okay, what's the Easter Bunny bringing you? Candy? Did you say thank you? Yeah. You sure look pretty. Where you going? Where you gonna go? You going to church? Okay, bye. Ooh. What's in there? Yeah. What is it, Allie?
Daddy.
What is that? Is that a duck? Does the duck say quack, 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 quack? Yeah, quack, 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 quack. Good boy. Yeah. Say Happy Easter. What you looking for? Did you find the Easter eggs? Try and find another one. He thinks that they're balls and he picked the first one up and threw it. What, Allie? What did you find? Gonna put it in the bowl? Good girl. Okay. Go find the ball, Ben. Go find the ball. Ben! Look for your Easter basket, too. Ben's pretty good at this finding egg business. He found an egg. What's he going to do with it? If anybody needs their eggs opened up, Ben's good at that. He just throws them down on the ground, watches them crack and break. Good boy, Ben.
Where's the basket?
Where'd the basket go? Try and find your Easter basket. Good girl, Allison. Gotta keep looking. What is that, Ben? That's your Easter basket. Allie didn't find hers yet. She's still looking. All right. He says, look at my basket. Yeah, I got an Easter basket. Did you find it? That's Allie's Easter basket. What's in there? What's in there, Allie? Did you find it? Good girl. Did you say thank you for the Easter bunny? Yeah. Are there any more eggs?
No.
Do you see any more? Is there an egg under the table? There it is. Can you get it? All right, Allison. Good job. Should we open your basket? Okay. Do you need some help? Want some help? Wow, Allie, what's in there? What is that?
Candy.
Candies from the Easter Bunny. Oh, fun. What's that?
Mine. I got it.
For the balls.
Okay, again.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Ben? He's looking for the balls, Ben. Allie? Hi, Ben. Hi, Ben. Where you going? Uh-huh. Yeah. Allie, sing Mommy your ABC. How old are you? Allison, how old are you?
I'm 2.
Oh. How old are you going to be on your birthday?
Church.
At church?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Are you going to be 3?
Mm-hmm.
In August?
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be fun.
I will go.
You want to go?
Uh-huh.
Oh, got to go get Ben. June 6th, 1992. Allie's 2.5 and Ben is 14 months old. And they're washing the dishes outside. Ben washing dishes with you? Good job. It's okay, Ellie. We'll get more water. Okay. Can Ben help too, Allie?
What?
Can Ben help too?
Don't do that.
He's okay. He's helping you wash the dishes, Ellie.
How about watch this?
Yeah. Is that fun? Good girl, Allie.
That's not dirty.
Oh, it's not dirty.
It's clean.
Is it clean water?
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Is it for me?
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Allie.
That's for me. You know how to start.
Okay.
What?
Hi.
I can't eat, Daddy! That's me, Daddy! Give me, Daddy!
Hi, Alli.
I'm cleaning.
Are you cleaning?
I'm cleaning.
Hi, hon.
Hi.
I'm cleaning.
Where'd you get the tape?
It's good in here.
Oh.
Put water in this.
Right.
I got water.
Alright. You kiss, man? You kiss, Alli? You kiss? Hank?
All right.
No, Jeff.
Hi,
Hi,
Ben.
Ben. Ben just had a little fall.
Oh, is he okay?
He come right here. Can you tell?
A little close up
He ate
there.
some dirt.
Hi, Ben.
It's all wet and Dad's getting wet.
What you call a wet hug?
Doggy. Where are you, doggy?
I get him wet.
See how wet? Did you?
Hug.
Get
Hey,
him
hug.
wet.
Did you do that, Allison? Did you get Ben all wet? Oh, poor
What's wrong, Ben?
guy.
Put your hat on, Ben.
Poor guy. Poor guy. Fell down and got an owie. We gotta clean him up. Huh. What you doing?
I want a contract.
You want a washcloth?
Uh-huh.
For your swimming pool?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Are you swimming? Get you, can you go under the water? Go under the water. Get in your belly and go swimming. No.
And then that's the muffins.
Muffins too?
And that's the muffins.
Mmm.
And that's the spaghetti. And that's water. This bug.
Is there a bug too?
Uh-huh.
Mmm.
I hear. It's in the water. It's in the water.
Sounds good, Allie. Spaghetti and muffins and water? That
What?
sounds like a good lunch.
He's having water.
Bugs having water?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. You gonna go swimming again?
No,
No more? Why?
I just go down.
Oh, okay. This is more fun, huh? Boy, oh boy, does that look good, Allie.
This kid too.
Yeah.
Ready this one?
You have to save some for Daddy
Oh,
when Daddy comes home.
okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. See you later.
No,
No?
I think I'll put the water.
Oh.
Oh, we'll do it there.
that cold, Ben? Uh-oh, don't splash him, Alli. Gonna go swimming, Ben? Uh-oh. What are you doing, Ben? What's going on? Uh-oh. 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 Are you in the pool, Ben? You going swimming? Alli, no, don't push him.
Sit down.
Careful. You wearing a bathing suit, Alli? Uh-oh, careful. Don't fall on Ben. No, Alli. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is that cold, Ben? Oh, stand up, Ben. You in the bath?
Hey, we're in the water. We're in the water.
Splash, splash. Hi, Ben. Hi, Ben. Up? Are you done? Want to get up? Those are crackers for Ben. Want some crackers, Ben? You have. Say cracker. There's your face. Yay.
Stop screaming, Ben. No.
3 minutes.
So
Huh?
cute. You got such cute kids.
Thank
I
you.
wonder why.
You got a cute wife.
Yeah, that's right. Uh-oh, you got someone behind
Run
you.
with the big dog. Stay on the porch.
Did you hear that, honey?
I gotta hit that dog.
I heard it.
Run back here.
Okay.
What are you going to do?
Don't hit anybody.
We going camping.
You're the cop of the beach.
You got a bug in here.
I do? A bug?
Let me see. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Alli? A bug?
A bug in my eye?
What's today? July 1st.
July 1st. Happy July 1st.
Happy New Year. Oh,
July 1st today. And your birthday is, do you remember? Huh? August 16th? Is that it? Has that been?
there's our Explorer. Yahoo. Hi, honey. You go camping?
Doing my duty. We're going camping.
So, Perry,
Oh,
how you doing?
I hope you have a good fishing trip.
Thank you.
Yeah. Get some big ones.
Yeah.
How am I doing? I do as I please most of the time.
Do you do though?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
Well, just remember, wherever you go, there you are.
Yeah.
There goes Beck.
Daddy and Alli fishing. Camping trip 1992, July 2nd. Good morning, hon. Is Daddy catching a fish? It is.
It's right over there.
Good,
It's
Alli.
right over there. I'm gonna catch that fish.
Okay.
Wanna catch this fish for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Can't have fish. Fish over there.
Fish over there. Hey, Alli.